Chapters Health is a large organization that provides hospice and palliative care services throughout the state of Florida. We also provide bereavement services to children and adults.
We're very excited to have the Bethany Center here in Lakeland with our new technology provided by Breeze Creative, and we are looking forward to serving the community and our hospice families and patients.
All of the Breeze Creative tools can be utilized in a therapeutic manner, such as managing anxiety, depression, exploring emotions. They can be used as an icebreaker for the kids.
We will have children from age 6 all the way up into age 17 using the products. The interactive experiences help the kids to open up and feel comfortable right away in a group setting.
With these interactive exercises, we're hoping to make the environment less sterile, less institutionalized, and become a more comfortable therapeutic environment.
The children really enjoy the sandbox, and when I say children, I mean children of all ages. We've had adults come through here and they love working in the sandbox as well.
This technology is very interactive and allows the children to really get involved, and hopefully will open up and be able to share some of what they're feeling. More kids will be excited to come to therapy because they know we have these fun, interactive opportunities here. They feel safe playing, they feel safe interacting. I think they're going to be safe sharing their thoughts and their fears and feelings.